Ever since I saw the One-Mix 4, I knew it was a netbook for me. It's got a screen big enough that I can get what I want done, but it's also portable enough and light enough that I can take it around in either laptop mode or in tablet mode. But the one thing I knew I wanted to do with this when I got this was design a Joy-Con mount for it so I could play some games with it. And here it is. I wanted to design this such that you could put it on laptop mode and make it a big brother to the One GX One Pro, or you could switch it into tablet mode and make it look like a Nintendo Switch XL. For this build, we're going to need 3D printed parts, 2 rubber bands, 2 M3x16 bolts, a pair of pliers, screwdriver, and a pair of Joy-Cons. We're going to use a screwdriver to remove the supports on the prints. Once you get to the Joy-Con mount, use your thumbs to break the supports. Once you don't hear any more cracking of the supports breaking, use a screwdriver to pry the end out, and then use a pair of pliers to pull it the rest of the way. Insert the bolt into the corresponding hole, rest the rubber band down, and push the bolt through to the opposite hole. Tighten the bolt. Next, use some string or some printer filament to fish the rubber band through the middle piece. Pull it through to the other side. Insert the grip into the middle piece. Pinch the rubber band and pull your string out. Pull the rubber band forward and pinch it so you have some slack. Insert your other bolt and push it through with the rubber bands in place. Stretch it and attach the other side of the mount. Use a screwdriver to tighten the remaining bolt. And lastly, attach your Joy-Cons to the grips. And there you have it, a Joy-Con mount for your One-Mix 4. If you are interested in building this, I'll leave a link to the STL files in the description below. I'll also leave a link to my tutorial videos on how to set up Joy-Cons as an Xinput controller on your Windows computer. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, maybe even subscribe, and thanks for watching.